While one deal gets done, another falls apart. Halliburton and Baker Hughes have called off their proposed $35 billion merger, which would have created North America's largest oilfield services company. The termination sent shares of Halliburton higher and Baker Hughes lower. Eamon Javer tells us why the Justice Department considers this a win.
Officials at the Department of Justice held a conference call to explain to reporters that they are very pleased about the breakup of the Baker Hughes-Halliburton merger today. They said a couple of things about why they thought it was important that this deal not go forward. First of all, they said fundamentally it was an anti-competitive deal. They said that they thought that there were some deals that just simply can't be fixed, and this was one of them. And they also said that a lot of companies make a mistake when they approach the Department of Justice in terms of antitrust enforcement. They said that some companies think they can simply sell off some assets, even a high-priced amount of assets, and that's going to convince the Department of Justice that the deal is okay. The officials today said that's not the case, and these two companies weren't able to clear that bar. The other thing they said they were concerned about was simply the amount of research and development spending that both of those companies are engaged in. They said that if this merger were to go through, it would be bad for innovation in the industry, and they said that was one of the things that they considered in this deal. Now, how aggressive has the Department of Justice been over the past several years? A whole bunch of deals have not gone through in recent years. Take a look at this list, and what you see are some very high-priced deals, including this Baker Hughes deal. At the top of the list, Comcast and Time Warner at $45 billion, Baker Hughes Halliburton at $35 billion, Staples Office Depot, but you've also got GE Electrolux, Cisco US Foods, and on and on. Quite a few deals that haven't gone through, but officials at the Department of Justice did not say that that indicates that they're going to be more aggressive going forward. They simply said they're going to follow the law. But if you're one of those companies that has a deal pending, you might want to pay attention to what happened today. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Eamon Javer.